Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week, we have new product announcements from Menards and MTH electric trains. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Menards has released new quad bay smooth-sided covered hoppers in Sioux Line, Western Pacific, Norfolk Southern Pennsylvania Heritage, Saskatchewan, Santa Fe, and Canada Harvest colors available now. The cars are 14 inches long and feature Menards hinged extended-length plastic couplers to accommodate operation on O27 and larger curves. The cars are priced at $24.99 each or 6 for $124.94 before rebates. Visit your local Menards store or order online using the link from the video description. MTH Electric Trains has announced new 2025 Rail King O-Gauge Airslide hopper cars in Champion, Wonder Bread, Burlington Northern, Norfolk and Western, CSX, and Union Pacific Rio Grande Heritage colors next spring. These cars will be available as single cars and 3-car sets, each individually numbered. They will be limited in production and are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in May 2025. The suggested retail price is $69.95 each or 3 for $194.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale R50B Express Reefer in Pennsylvania Railroad colors for Mr. Muffin's trains. The cars will be available in 2 unique card numbers, each in extremely limited quantities beginning in March 2025. The early order price is $76.95. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued O-Scale R50B Reefer in Baltimore and Ohio colors for Patrick's trains. The cars will be available in 4 unique car numbers, each in extremely limited quantities beginning in March 2025. The early order price is $84.99. And MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive R50B Express Reefer in Long Island colors for Train World. The model will be available in 2 unique car numbers, each in extremely limited quantities beginning in March 2025. The early order price is $84.99. MTH Electric Trains will soon be shipping an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier Line O-Scale 36-foot woodside reefer in 2 unique Bohack beer schemes. Available in limited quantities, the cars mark another release in a long line of MTH offerings for the New Jersey High Railers and are slated to arrive later this December. The early order price is $84.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced 2 new exclusive Rail King ALCO RS-1 diesels for Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The limited production models will be available decorated for Rock Island and Grand Trunk in 2 road numbers each, with an expected delivery of late 2025. The early order price is $379.99 each. And MTH Electric Trains will be producing a depressed center flat car with transformer load in Long Island Railroad colors exclusively for Train World. The model will be available in 2 car numbers with expected delivery in May 2025. The pre-order price is $69.99. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern for another edition of What's New in O-Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.